हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 4.4 मैट्रिसेस। ओके, सो इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी डिड एक्सरसाइज 4.4 अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से आगे करते हैं। सो एक्सरसाइज 4.4 मैट्रिसेस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, A is this matrix. You have to find here transpose of transpose matrix. Transpose of transpose matrix. Transpose matrix means what? So matrix obtained on interchanging all rows and columns. So here for this matrix, this is a first row. So first row will become first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third column. Okay, so transpose of this matrix, A transpose. So what will be A transpose? It is matrix obtained on interchanging all rows and columns. So first row is what? 7 3 1, that will become first column. Second row will be what? Second row is -2 -4 and 1, which will become second column. And the third row is 5 9 1, which will become third column. So first row will become first column, second row second column, third row third column. Now again transpose of this matrix you have to find. So इसका और transpose find करना है. So transpose of transpose matrix is itself a matrix. So what you get? So again we interchange rows and column. First row will become first column, second row will become second column, 3 -4 9, and the third row will become third column. Yes, so this is nothing but matrix A. So it is matrix A. So transpose of transposed matrix, okay, is itself a matrix A. We are getting same matrix. Then next question we attempt, that is question number 7. See, in this question find A, B and C where this matrix is a symmetric matrix. So in symmetric matrix, see, there should be a symmetry about the diagonal. Symmetry about the diagonal मतलब see Aij, see here matrix A is equal to Aij. It is a square matrix of order say m. So this will be symmetric if Aij is equal to Aj. Aij is equal to what? Aj. मतलब सी व्हाट इज द पोजिशन ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स, दिस एलिमेंट ये है सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम में, मतलब 8 to 1. So 8 to 1 is what? B. Okay, it should be A12. It should be equal to what? A12. So what is A12? That is the element of first row and second column. First row and second column element is this 3/5. So this must be equal to 3/5. That means here B is equal to, therefore B is equal to 3/5. फिर इसके बाद see this diagonal element, see about this diagonal, see this element A is what? It is the element of first row and third column. That is the element of first row and third column. That means A13. So A13 is equal to what? A. So it should be equal to what? A31. It should be equal to A31. So A31 means what? See the element of third row and first column, this -4. Therefore A is equal to what? -4. A is equal to what? -4. Then see here this element it is the element of third row and second column, that is the element A3 2 should be equal to A2 3. So what is A32? That is the element of third row and second column, which is C, and the element of second row and third column is this -7. So C must be equal to what? -7. So therefore here C is equal to -7. So thus we are getting all A, B, C. So A should be equal to -4, B should be equal to 3/5, and C should be equal to what? -7. So next question, that is on skew symmetric matrix. So in skew symmetric matrix, here now question number 8. What is this question number 8? The matrix is skew symmetric matrix. See, this matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So in skew symmetric matrix we have Aij is equal to minus of Aj. So Aij is equal to what? Minus of Aj. That means here Aij is equal to what? Minus of Aj in case of skew symmetric matrix. So in skew symmetric matrix, so अभी इसमें see this matrix, of course diagonal element will be 0. So what is this A21? मतलब element in second row and first column. So A21 must be equal to minus of A12 according to the definition of skew symmetric matrix. So what is our A21? A21 है y. It should be equal to minus of A12. What is our A12? It is minus phi r. So it should be equal to what? Plus phi r. It should be plus phi r. Therefore we have y is equal to what? Phi r. फिर इसके बाद here x is in the first row and third column. So A13 must be equal to minus of A31. In case of skew symmetric matrix, Aij is minus of Aj. So what is our A13? That is the element of first row and third column is x, should be equal to minus of A31, the third row and first column. See here, third row and first column, that is minus 3/2. Therefore or x is equal to minus of 3/2. Then y, here z. See, this z is the element of second row and third column, that is the element of second row and third column. Second row and third column should be equal to minus of A32. So what is our A23? Second row and third column, that is z, and here minus A32. A32 means the element of third row and second column, which is √2, minus of √2. Therefore we have z is equal to what? Minus of √2. So thus we are getting this x, y and z. Then next question, इसके बाद next question, 9th question, you can see, for each of the following matrices, first of all we will find transpose of the matrix. You have to show that, check whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric or neither. So if A transpose is equal to, listen here, if A transpose is equal to A, then the matrix is symmetric matrix. but if A transpose is equal to minus of A, then it is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. अगर इन दोनों में से नहीं है तो that is what we'll consider that it is neither symmetric and nor skew symmetric. So let's consider this second example. Second example में transpose we will find. We'll find the transpose of this matrix. See what is transpose of this matrix. A transpose. इसका transpose क्या होगा? देखो, we interchange all rows and columns. So first row will become first column. Second row, what is the second row? Minus 5, 4, 6 will become second column, and the third row minus 1, minus 6, 3 will become what? Third column. So here we'll check 2, 5, minus 1, 2, 5, minus 1 we are not getting, and so therefore even though see Aij is minus of Aj, but diagonal element should be 0 in case of skew symmetric matrix. So we check whether A transpose is equal to minus of A or what. So yes, we are not getting A transpose. See, not A transpose is equal to A. A transpose is not equal to A, as well as A transpose will be not equal to minus of A. Will not equal to minus of A. Therefore ये सिमेट्रिक भी नहीं है और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक भी नहीं है. So it is what? So this is not symmetric, not skew symmetric. It is what? Neither. Now look at this example. Next example. See here, the matrix is. See, this is our matrix A. Our matrix A is 0, 1 plus 2i, I minus 2, minus 1, minus 2i, 0, minus 7, 2 minus I, 7 and 0. Now find transpose of this matrix. What will be the transpose of this matrix? इस matrix का transpose क्या होगा? देखो, we interchange all rows and columns. First row will become first column, 1 plus 2i, I minus 2 होगा. Second row will become second column, minus 2i, 0 and minus 7. The third row, that is 2 minus I, then 7 and 0. तो clearly अगर आप माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं यहाँ से, so we'll take minus sign common from all the elements of this matrix. We'll take minus sign common from all the elements of the matrix. So we'll take minus sign common from all the elements. So ये होगा 0, 0. Here after taking minus sign common, it will be 1 plus 2i. ये होगा I minus 2. This is minus 1 minus 2i, 0 and minus 7. Here 2 minus I, 7 and 0. तो ये आपका मैट्रिक्स ये होगा A. Okay, so you can see here this is the same as A. Therefore what we are getting, A transpose is equal to, this minus sign is there, minus A. Therefore A transpose is equal to minus of A. So this matrix is what? Skew symmetric matrix. Therefore it is skew symmetric matrix. This matrix is skew symmetric matrix. तो सबसे पहले आपको इसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करना है, एंड इफ A transpose is equal to A, then it is symmetric. A transpose is equal to minus of A, then it is skew symmetric. एंड जैसे कि हमने प्रीवियस एग्जांपल में देखा है, A ट्रांसपोज इज नॉट इक्वल टू A एज वेल एज A ट्रांसपोज इज नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ A. देयरफॉर इट इज नाइदर सिमेट्रिक नॉर स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. दैट इज दिस एग्जांपल. सो लेट्स सी नाउ एग्जांपल 10. See, in example 10, you have to construct matrix. See here, in this example, you have to construct a matrix of order 3 by 3, where Aij is equal to I minus j, and you have to state whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. So let's see. We'll construct matrix A is equal to Aij of order 3 by 3, मतलब 3 rows and 3 columns, where this Aij is given by what? Aij is given by, see the example 10, Aij is given by I minus j formula. Okay, so I minus j formula. So let's construct this matrix. So here A is equal to, see our matrix A is equal to क्या होगा, A11, A12, A13, then A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Okay, here Aij is equal to I minus j. I is for row and j is for column. So it is, what will be A11 then? See here, A11 will be equal to what? A11. So I minus j, that is 1 minus 1, 0. So clearly you are getting what? 0. So A11 is equal to what? 0. Then A12, here A12, 1 minus 2. So we'll write it what? Minus 1. Then A13, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, I minus j. So 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So here it is minus 2. Minus 2. Yes. Then we'll write A21. Yes, here A21, that is 2 minus 1, I minus j, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Then A22 is 0 because I minus j, I is 2, j is also 2, 0. Then A23, I minus j, that is 2 minus 3, minus 1. Then A31, that is 3 minus 1, 2. Then A32, that is 3 minus 2, I minus j. So I is 3 and j is 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. A33, 0 because I minus j. So I is 3 and j is also 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. So you can observe that diagonal elements are 0, and here Aij is minus of Aj. Okay, here Aij is equal to minus of Aj. Aij is equal to minus of Aj. Aij is minus of Aj. So clearly here the matrix obtained is what? Therefore A is skew symmetric matrix. It is skew symmetric matrix because diagonal elements are 0. You are getting Aij is equal to minus of Aj. Therefore the given this matrix obtained is what? Skew symmetric matrix. So in this video we did this exercise 4.4. In the next video we will complete the next exercise. Thank you for watching this video.